I'm a student at Aspen University in the Doctor of Education in Leadership and Learning, specializing in organizational psychology. I would like to discuss the importance of neuroscience in leadership briefly. Neuroscience and leadership. What is neuroscience? How is it emerging? How does neuroscience relate to leadership? How could it benefit your work setting? We'll begin with what is neuroscience. Neuroscience studies the nervous system's development, structure, and function. Although initially a subdiscipline of biology, the field now works closely with mathematics, linguistics, engineering, computer science, chemistry, philosophy, and medicine to study the brain. Neuroscience refers to the scientific study of the nervous system. Brain science is a division of neuroscience. Studies on the brain relate to either its structure or function. Pillay believes that neuroscience encompasses the rigorous examination of the neurological system using scientific methodologies. The larger the area of neuroscience includes the subfield of brain science. Studies related to the brain have inquiries into its anatomical structure or physiological functions. According to Pillay, the term brain science typically refers to well-reviewed functional brain imaging research that has been published in reputable scientific journals. So how is it emerging? Gaining insight into the brain's functioning might be enhanced by investigating the dynamic changes in cerebral blood flow across distinct regions in response to various activities or challenges. Communication tactics that focus on certain parts of the brain are also a viable option. The SCARF model, established by David Rock, identifies 5 social experiences that activate the brain's danger or reward circuits and affect individuals. SCARF stands for status, certainty, autonomy, relatedness, and fairness. Status determines social rank. How much we can see ahead and plan is proportional to our assurance. Autonomy is the capacity to make your own choices. Relatedness is defined as trust and connections, whereas fairness is treating others fairly. According to Pillay, we ask the question, how could it benefit your work setting? By coaching, management, and leadership are all about having the capacity to build an environment for change. Neuroscience plays a vital role in the construction of this context. Therefore, it's essential to keep that in mind. Research suggests leaders should prioritize inspiring and motivating feedback, well-being, productivity, and positive emotions. The brain never rests. Brain regions stay active while not engaged in an idea. This default network houses the one characteristic distinguishing humans from other species: the capacity to imagine being in a different location or time. Humans' unique network works best when it's engaged. People who transcend or fantasize concentrate inward and withdraw from their surroundings. Creativity is at its best, and this is when we have those eureka moments are more probable at this period. Creativity and invention need unfocused brain time. This may go completely against what traditional corporations and organizations find to be productive in their employees. Oftentimes, if employees are not seen doing busy work or engaging in an activity that leadership deemed to be productive, it may be regarded as being complacent or non-productive, when actually, this is the time when the brain is most creative, when the brain is disconnected from everyday events and activities. They're able to go into a transcendent or an area where they are concentrating inward, and they're taking in all of the possibilities that we learn when we're small children, when we have great imaginations, and we're able to engage in the what if. As we get older, we're somehow conditioned not to think of the what ifs, and this has an opportunity to diminish our innovative capacity, our ability to create outside of the box, our ability to think of new ideas and to take on new concepts, new challenges, and even corporate changes. By allowing and promoting this level of creativity in employees and also demonstrating this activity as leaders, this leads to a more productive, creative, innovative, and ultimately successful workforce. Neuroscience is an ever evolving concept in leadership, as well as other aspects of life. The more leaders engage and understand in what neuroscience brings to the act of being a leader, managing, and also just engaging with people on a regular basis, the better leadership they're going to be able to display, the more trust they will build in their teams, the more confidence their team will have, the more buy-in the members will have in the corporate vision, and the more personal investment they will start to take on as part of that vision. Neuroscience is ever changing. Neuroscience is such an amazing concept that all leaders must learn in order to build, develop, encourage, and motivate their teams. Thank you, and have a great day.